What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Outdoors with G. Man, we got a little different type video today. My boy gave me his kayak, so we're gonna be hitting the flats. We in all the grasses, man. We're gonna be going for reds, trout, anything that bite, y'all know that. So we ain't got much time to waste. The sun's on the way down. I only got like an hour and a half or 2 hours to fish. So we're gonna hit some spots, hit the grasses, maybe some docks over there if we got time. Hopefully walk out with some fish. And if y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on so y'all can stay tapped into my future videos every Friday. Let's not waste no more time. Let's get to fishing. All right, man, let's take a couple casts right here. We'll go ahead and start. The water is pretty clear. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's really clear. We're just gonna take a couple of casts and warm up, man. I ain't fished on a kayak in forever. So let's see what happens here. So we'll go over the tackle too. Same as every video so far. Penn Fierce IV, 3000 reel, 7-foot medium ugly stick, 10-pound braid, 20-pound mono leader, and we're using this redfish magic lure to start off. We're going for reds, man. So hopefully we can get lucky. This water is really shallow. I've wade fished this spot, but very risky, man. Like, I'm not a fan of stingrays, and you'll see a lot of stingrays and crabs right here. So I always want to be careful. But yeah, hopefully we can get a red. Just taking a couple casts, make sure we're good. But we're gonna go ahead and hit this spot, and I'm trying to hit what we came for. Yeah, and the friend that gave me this kayak for today's video, he got the wrong ones, so we're gonna be using both. This kayak does move a little bit with the cast, or with reeling in. So I'm gonna be zigzagging just a little bit until I find a spot where I can like anchor up at. And we are gonna probably hop out at a couple of spots, hop out and throw some casts, stand on the edges. All right, so we made a little pit stop. We're gonna wait a little bit of this. I literally dropped my reel in the salt water, bro. I'm so salty about that. I'm not trying to have to buy a new reel right now. Dang, I can't believe I dropped this. I just bought this reel too, probably not even more than a couple months ago. So I'm not too happy about that. It is what it is. We'll just try and keep fishing it till we literally can't. I just bought all this braid too. I know I could swap it out, but I bought all this braid. Just got the reel. It's terrible, man. All right, we're gonna get back on the kayak and move again. I can't tell y'all how salty I am about that. But I'm gonna be pushing that reel till I literally can't use it. So future videos, y'all might hear it crunching and all that. I don't really care. I'm on a budget. Can't be spending another $100 right now. That sucks. And I actually did find a rod holder on this after the fact. It was right behind the chair. I don't know if it's meant for a rod, but my rod fit in it. All right. We're gonna retie. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I know exactly what we're about to switch to. This. hope not. Oh, there we go. There we go. That might be a red. That's probably a red right here. Let's see how we're gonna get it in the boat. Oh, it's a trout. See if we can get him. He's fighting decent. I foul hooked him. It's a baby. Yeah. Foul hooked him hard, if y'all can see that. Oh, I ripped him open too, decent. That's not what I wanted to do. I was wondering why I was fighting like that. Yeah. I mean, we got a fish. All right. Fish one. Not a keeper. Better than nothing though. Makes all this pedaling worth it. So we're gonna keep moving. Try and get a slot one. All right, last lure switch of the day, man. We're using this Trout Magic Gold Spoon. Let's hope it produces. Oh, I'm on. Let's go. That's a red. That's a red. Oh. Oh, he's pulling the whole yak. He's pulling the yak. Let's go. This might be a keeper fish. But look how fast he's pulling this kayak. There's another one with him. Nice red. Nice red. He is pulling me, bro. Please stay on. I don't know how I'm gonna get him in the kayak, but we're gonna make it happen, bro. Yes. Gonna let him get tired. It felt like I hit grass, man, I swear. Oh, he's keeper. Look at him pulling me, bro. I'm getting pulled. Please stay on. I cannot afford to lose this fish. No! Oh my God! He is huge. He is huge. Oh my God! I don't know if y'all seen, I gotta land him, bro. We might be fighting him for a little minute. He is huge though. We're gonna get him in here somehow, bro. He's going under the kayak and around. I'm not liking that. It's been real slow, man. It's been hours. I've been out here for hours. Holy shit. Come here. Come here. He's tired. Wait, he's about to make another run. He's hit pretty good. I'm probably gonna have to measure him. I don't think he's over a slot. I'm pretty sure we can keep this. Come here. Don't come off. Oh my God. Look at this red. Look at this red on me. What? This thing's huge. He's huge. Let's measure him. I have to use the measure app on my phone because I don't have tape with me, but it's really accurate. So he needs to be 18 to 27 inches. Let's see what we got. All right. So I measured him and we got 26 inches. He is 1 inch, almost 1 inch away from over slot. So I'm gonna bleed him out because I need to put him out of his misery. I need to be real careful now. Watch out for sharks. It's getting dark out here. So I need to hurry up and get out of this spot. No. No fucking way. Y'all, I lost him. No way, y'all. Oh my God, that's the biggest L I ever took in my life. Oh my gosh. Fuck. There's no fucking way I just did that. Well, just lost my keeper fish of the day. I knew he was gonna slip. I thought I had a good grip on him. Oh my God, I just wasted a whole fish. It's unbelievable, bro. That's unbelievable. Like, y'all feel free to cook me, man. That's just, I'm pissed. I've been trying to catch that forever. I got one. I bleed him out. He was 1 inch, literally 1 inch from being over a slot, or 1 inch to being on the dot. And I'll bleed him out. And I'm mad. I'm not even mad at the fact that I can't eat it. I'm mad at the fact that I bled him out and I wasted him. Like, I drip my reel back in the water. Dude, that hurts so bad. I knew that was gonna, I don't know why I did that. That was so dumb. That's that type of shit that don't even make, you don't even want to fish no more after that. Let's see if we can get one more. Bro, I got all this blood on me for nothing. I got all this blood on here. Bled him out. I wasted him, bro. I wasted him. I mean, a shark gonna eat him, but like, that's supposed to be on my family dinner. That's supposed to feed my family right there. How? I need to stop thinking about that. Let's stop thinking about that, bro. Let's move on to the next fish. I would have went in for him if we were shallow, but we're way too deep and there's sharks in this water. Sun's going down, not worth it. It's better off to let him go and just like get ate by a shark later on. It's never that deep to jump deep in waters for a fish like that at night. Well, not night, but you know what I mean. Man, I know y'all boy laughing at me for that, man. That's crazy. That is insane. How do you do that? How do you do that? There's no, how do you mess up that bad? There's no way. There is no way you mess up that bad. Oh, oh, we got another. That's a trout, I think. This might be a keeper. I'm not messing. If I get this, if I land it, we're not losing it. If he's slot, we're not losing it. I'm not letting that happen again. Little redfish. It's a redfish. Oh wait, what is that? I can't see. Oh, a bluefish. Ah, we don't want him. We don't care for them. See if I can get him in. Come here. To the kayak. All right, these guys have teeth. Got to be careful with them. Oh, he slammed that. He frayed my line up too. You probably want to use pliers with these, but I don't really care. Thought it was a red. Let him go. All right, we're retied and ready to go. We got a little bit of fishing left before it's completely trash. Man, I would say it started slow and it really picked up. It's a good day now, other than losing my 26-inch red that I've been trying to catch forever. But it is what it is. I'm over it now, but man, y'all about to cook me. I know whoever watches that is gonna be laughing and cooking me. Like, how the heck? Why the hell would you hang it over your kayak? Why would you hang it over your kayak with nothing tied to it? Yeah, I don't even have a I don't have a stringer, but I had a way that I was gonna be able to keep that fish. I should have let him finish bleeding on the kayak. That's like, I have blood on the kayak anyway. Like, could have just sprayed it off. It's whatever. See if I can get one more red if I'm lucky. This gold spoon will really work in the dark waters. No, man. The red of my life. I didn't even get to get a good picture with him. I was gonna take a picture with him when I got to the house. That's gonna be a happy shark or whatever's in that water, crabs and everything. That's my favorite fish. Redfish is my favorite fish. That's why I'm hurt about that. I'll take a trout too if we can get one. But yeah, we're about to call it here soon. The quality on the GoPro is about to start looking like ass. Got multi-species though. Got a trout, a redfish, and a bluefish. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. It's getting a little dark, man. We'll try it again another day. Hopefully we can get another big red and actually take it home next time. So I appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far watching the video. I really do. And I appreciate my homeboy letting me use his kayak and my dad letting me use his truck for today's video. And make sure y'all notifications is on, man. New videos every single Friday. Make sure y'all tapped in. I'll see y'all in the next one.